Artificial intelligence, AI for short, is playing a role in more and more areas of our lives. At CEBIT 2018, in addition to lectures and discussions, numerous practical applications on the topic are also on display. An interactive app for searching for a parking space shows, for example, where free spaces are nearby. Another software solution recognizes hacked devices in a network by using machine learning to spot unusual behavior, immediately sounding an alarm if it finds any. And this AI solution analyzes written language. Just 100 words are enough to derive personality traits such as style of thinking, moods, or needs of the author. But there is also an increasing number of questions about the practical benefits. How far can AI go, especially when dealing with sensitive data?
Stell dir vor, wir haben eine künstliche Intelligenz in der Lage ist demnächst.
Imagine having artificial intelligence that is able to diagnose much better. We may have diagnoses, but we have no answer. Do we want that? Do we want AI that might tell us how long you will live, but you might live longer or for less time? These are limits where we need to think, how far do we want to go? Do we want to know everything? When it comes to privacy, where we don't want to be transparent, there are large and small limits everywhere. And that's exactly what makes these times exciting, because it's about being open to progress, but to be reflective, to think about it.
Denn es geht darum, offen zu sein für den Fortschritt, aber reflektiert zu sein, also darüber nachzudenken.
The experts at CEBIT agree. The design and programming of algorithms must follow uniform ethical standards. Artificial intelligence must function according to the rules we specify, which we define. And when we talk about learning systems, then it is important what the systems learn, what their motivation to learn is. This fairness and security must be achieved by ensuring that the rules according to which they are to learn are also based on fair and just values. I believe that we must all work together closely. I believe that the state, the private sector, NGOs and science must work together, because that is where most of the expertise lies, and then come up with a framework to ethically establish AI systems. The use of artificial intelligence raises many questions, but it is undisputed that AI has already fundamentally changed the interaction between human and machine.